So let's explode your Aurum business together. Let me help you build your team. So what will I do for you? Well, I will help you build your Aurum business so that you earn more money. And I'll not only do that, I'll also promote your own Aurum affiliate link. So below this video, you'll find a button that you can click to join our team if you're not already on our team. It doesn't matter if you're sponsored by me, providing you're in my team somewhere. So somewhere down the line, you can have access to this amazing offer. So before we go any further, because I'm sure you want to find out more, just look at some of the testimonials we've got here. We've got one from Anthony Clark. He's absolutely blown away. He's gone up 3 ranks since he joined the program. And I'm helping him to do his marketing, and I'm also promoting his affiliate link. There's a testimonial here from Joe. I'm not going to read these testimonials. I'll let you do that. Kim, he can't bloody believe it. Thanks so much, Jeremy. I've got 2 registrations on my team. The first time ever people have joined any of my team projects. How cool is that? There's a testimonial there from Dave. These are just some of the testimonials. So if you want me to help you to build your Aurum team, then click the link below this video and let me help you grow your business. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Click the link below. Bye now.